I would easily say whatever you think your renovation is, you need to add a little more, right? If you're going to do renovation, because like costs go up, you don't get to do it on time, you find more stuff, and you never want to be that guy going back to your partner saying, hey, we're short. You don't want, I don't want, we had one where we didn't plan on replacing appliances on a term. And the appliances that were there, I was told were solid. As the tenant moved in, we found out we had a bad stove and some other stuff. And me and my partners talked, and the person was under the assumption they were getting new appliances too. And we ended up spending about $2,700 on brand new appliances that we had no intention of, that we don't see a return on, because they were paying for the old set of appliances is what we had budgeted.
Sure.
But we just spent an extra $3,000 basically, and we're not increasing the rent or nothing. So it's good because it's good for our long-term business, but it hurts when those costs come up. I think one of the things that you can always plan for anything when you have a business plan, but until you get in it, like there's no 100% way of knowing.